Rooster. Very, very small rooster. Oh. See?
Cockadoo.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cockadoo.
Doodle, doodle.
You know what? One time
Ang liit-liit ng kanilang manok dito. As in, ang liit-liit. Say bye-bye to that rooster. Bye-bye, rooster. Yes. Bye-bye, rooster.
Bye.